In this video, you will learn very common Spanish phrases with Shakira that will enrich your Spanish.
Por completarte me rompí en pedazos.
To complete you, I broke myself into pieces.
Completarte, completar y te.
Comes from the verb complete plus you. Example.
Con esta pieza completamos la docena.
I only need one more card to complete the set.
Me lo advirtieron pero no hice caso.
I was warned, but I didn't listen.
No hice caso.
It comes from
Hacer caso.
which means obey, pay attention, listen to. Example.
Por más que el profesor alce la voz, los alumnos no hacen caso.
No matter how much the teacher raises his voice, the students don't pay any attention.
Me di cuenta que lo tuyo es falso.
I realized that yours has been fake.
Me di cuenta.
It comes from
Darse cuenta.
which means to notice or realize. Example.
Me di cuenta de que me había olvidado las llaves.
I realized that I had forgotten the keys.
Fue la gota que rebasó el vaso.
It was the drop that overflowed the glass.
Fue la gota que rebosó al vaso.
It is an expression that means reach a limit of enduring a certain situation, which is impossible to endure.
Rebaso.
Comes from
Rebosar.
past the limit, overflow. Example.
El agua rebosaba la piscina.
The water overflowed from the pool.
No me digas que lo sientes.
Don't tell me you're sorry.
No me digas que lo sientes.
In English, don't tell me that you feel sorry. This expression expresses disbelief. Example.
Sé que lo sientes, pero no te perdono.
I know you're sorry, but I don't forgive you.
Eso parece sincero, pero te conozco bien y sé que mientes.
That seems sincere, but I know you well, and I know you lie.
Eso parece sincero, pero te conozco bien. Parece.
Comes from the verb
Parecer.
in English to have a certain aspect appear, seem, look like. Example.
Me parece que vas demasiado rápido. A Luciano no le parece que sea recomendable comprar esa vieja casa.
I think you're going too fast. Luciano doesn't think it's advisable to buy that old house.
Te felicito que bien actúas.
I congratulate you, how well you act.
Te felicito que bien actúas.
In this context, the expression is sarcasm, and who says it basically, I believed everything and I didn't realize it was a lie. Example.
Y, te aplaudo, te felicito o qué.
Do I applaud you, congratulate you, or what?
Eso no me cabe duda.
I have no doubt about that.
De eso, no me cabe duda.
In general, the whole sentence translates without any doubt, to be certain. The word
Cabe.
comes from
Caber.
which means fit, be room for. Example.
No cabe la menor duda de que este negocio será un éxito.
There isn't the slightest doubt that this business will be a success.
Con tu papel continúa.
Continue with your role.
Con tu papel continúa.
In this part, Shakira say,
Con tu papel continúa.
so that the song could rhyme, but the correct way is.
Continúa con tu papel.
So is better to say continue with. Example.
Los miembros de la iglesia continuaron con sus oraciones.
The church members continued with their prayers.
Te queda bien ese show. Te felicito que bien actúas.
That show suits you well.
Te queda bien ese show.
In this context, show refers to making a scandal. Example.
Tu novia no va a tolerar que le armes otro show de celos en su trabajo.
Your girlfriend is not going to tolerate you putting on another show of jealousy at her job.
Filosofía barata no la compro.
I don't buy that cheap philosophy.
Esa filosofía barata, no la compro. No la compro.
Means not believe something or disagree. Example.
Me estás mintiendo, así que no llores, no te lo compro.
You're lying to me, so don't cry, I won't buy it.
Lo siento en esa moto, ya no me monto.
I'm sorry, I don't ride that bike anymore.
En esa moto ya no me monto.
It is a saying that says, do not count on me, I do not follow you anymore. Continue with your path, I continue with mine. Example.
Ya tuviste tu oportunidad, en esa moto ya no me monto.
You already had your chance, don't count on me.
La gente de dos caras no la soporto.
I can't stand two-faced people.
La gente de dos caras no la soporto.
Hypocritical people, in front of you they are one and behind your back another. Example.
Mi compañera de trabajo tiene dos caras. Siempre espera a que me vaya para hablar mal de mí.
My colleague at work is a double face. She always waits for me to leave to speak ill of me.
Yo que ponía las manos al fuego por ti, me tratas como una más.
I put my hands on the fire for you.
Yo que ponía las manos al fuego por ti.
Expression used to indicate that we have full confidence in the integrity of that person and vouch for their honesty, but the person may or may not be honest. Example.
Puse las manos en el fuego por ti y me traicionaste.
I put my hands in the fire for you and you betrayed me. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe and watch these other videos to continue learning Spanish.